Go ahead.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, you can see it spit out pretty good.
That was the first time I heard it without my earplugs, dude.
Yeah, dude, shit's loud, dude.
Hey Brian, here. You want to shoot it? Let me see the flash from the distance.
Oh, you can barely see the flash from a distance.
Oh, it's not loaded.
Oh, it's not. Oh, sorry. Woo! Damn.
You can feel the concussion from right here. That shit's hard.
I can see the flash out the end of it. You want one more?
Yeah.
God damn.
God, get me one of those.
Shit loads
I
pretty
feel like
easy,
a
huh?
Russian.
I feel like